My name is John, and I'm from Phoenix, Arizona, and I've been on the software for about 6 months now. I trade futures primarily, although some stocks, some options, and I will now be moving into Forex. I have had a trading account for over 20 years, and I've kind of balanced that with my corporate career, but been trading for quite some time. I've seen more than one market cycle, that's for sure. My first 6 months of using the software has gone really well. Before VantagePoint, trading my own money, tend to be undercapitalized. The real impact for me was before trading the software, I was trying to trade individual markets, and there were things happening in those markets that I just didn't fully understand. And after starting with VantagePoint software, the understanding the correlations between the intermarkets, the software helped me really see that, and also the indicators made it very easy to quickly ascertain what's my market going to do, knowing that it's incorporating what the other intermarkets are doing, right? So that was really profound for me. I felt the impact in my trading right away using the software, and my software coach, I think, did a really good job of getting me stood up on the software, and I was able to really understand that and start to apply it right away. A memorable trade for me was in the corn and soybean market, and I knew there was a crop report coming up, so I was watching the VantagePoint signals pretty closely. The software showed me a very good setup in the indicators. I knew we had an event coming, and that gave me the confidence to put on a fairly sizable defined risk trade for me, and that resulted in really just a great trade and great profits. Don't let the simplicity of reading the indicators minimize to you what's going on behind the scenes. That the math and the computing power it takes to generate these indicators is world class. They've done just a fabulous job with the UI, and it's easy to read, but don't let that dissuade you to think this is a toy. It's not. It's powerful software. My biggest surprise about the VantagePoint software is that the power of this technology is made available to retail traders. My first feeling was, and I have institutional experience, my first feeling with the software was, wow, this would really be something I'd find on the institutional side. The fact that it's available to retail traders was, I think, my biggest surprise.